Good morning. Today we have a MAN TGX 2016. We're gonna change catalytic filters. On this track we have a double catalytic filters. One inside is clean and second is here. I'm gonna show you. It's broke. It is too bad condition. So let's go. You see, it's like a molted inside. And see how is bad this condition. So we have a new parts and everything, and here's the cover. So I'm gonna put filter here, put the gaskets up and here and here, and after cover this part and this part. And one so important thing, if you open the cover and change the filters and do something, you need to check the injector. This is AdBlue injector, is need to cleaning. I'm gonna open this screw and make a pressure and check and clean the injector. So guys, everything gonna be okay. Have a nice life, everyone.